Get you the breaking news that's coming in from the Delhi High Court. The court has reserved its order on Arvind Kejriwal's plea. The Delhi Chief Minister had, remember, challenged his arrest by the Enforcement Directorate. After heated arguments, the court order is expected next. But of course, right now, as we speak, the Delhi High Court has reserved its order on Arvind Kejriwal's plea, challenging his arrest by the Enforcement Directorate. Remember, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has been arrested. In fact, he was sent to Tihar jail a few days back. He is currently lodged there, and his plea is basically challenging his arrest by the Enforcement Directorate in the alleged liquor policy scam. He was arrested, remember, on the 21st of March. On the 22nd of March, the trial court had remanded him to 6 days of ED custody, which was then again extended by a further 4 days. And on the 1st of April, he was remanded to judicial custody till the 15th of April. And now, of course, Arvind Kejriwal, the Delhi Chief Minister, challenging this arrest by the probe agency. Let me go across to my colleague Rame for more on this. Rame, the Delhi High Court has reserved its order on Arvind Kejriwal's plea. What more details do we have? What happened in the court today?
So the arguments went for the all day today. Additional Solicitor General Raju appeared for the Enforcement Directorate, while Senior Advocate Abhishek Singhvi appeared for Arvind Kejriwal. Now, the main arguments put forth by the Enforcement Directorate was that Arvind Kejriwal in this present petition has not challenged his subsequent remand orders, but he has challenged only one remand order. That was the first remand order. But he has been now in judicial custody of the third remand order passed by the trial court, and he has not challenged that. And on this ground alone, this plea deserves to be dismissed. And again, Kejriwal, multiple allegations were made. ASG SV Raju stated that he is the kingpin, he is the key conspirator. Funds were bought in. Even the Aam Aadmi party was accused of this funds generation through proceeds of crime. And it was stated that Aam Aadmi party used these funds for the elections of Goa, campaigning of elections of Goa. However, ASG Raju also made one more revealing statement that we want to attach the property of Aam Aadmi party. However, we are still thinking of it because they say as the elections are near, that is why they are arresting the politicians and doing all of this with us. So we are still thinking on this aspect that should be attached the property of Aam Aadmi party as to recover the proceeds of crime. So these were the major submissions made by SV Raju. However, on the other hand, Kejriwal negated it. Kejriwal stated that this was a political arrest. His arrest was motivated by due to the upcoming elections. He challenged his arrest. He stated that this is absolutely illegal, and as well as challenged the trial court order. So the bench of Justice Swankanta Sharma has now reserved its order. All the parties in this matter have been asked to file their written submissions by tomorrow, and then the court will give a date for the pronouncement of judgment. However, as of now, the matter has been reserved.
Okay. Rame, also let me quickly understand from you what's really now the legal course of action that Arvind Kejriwal can take. Of course, we will have to wait for the pronouncement of the judgment by the Delhi High Court. But how does this move forward legally now for Arvind Kejriwal?
So as of now, there is no relief for Arvind Kejriwal. Arvind Kejriwal will have to continue in the judicial custody as no interim relief has been granted to Arvind Kejriwal. Remember, even on the last date of the hearing, he had asked for immediate release. One of his applications was that release me immediately as my arrest is illegal. However, the court stated that if we consider this and release you immediately, then ultimately we would be considering the merits of the case and the whole petition itself. It cannot be done like that. So now the judgment has been reserved and there is no order on the interim application. So Arvind Kejriwal will have to continue in the judicial custody. There is no relief, and only if anticipated, if the court feels something that there is something, and then only there might be some relief for Arvind Kejriwal. As of now, the order is reserved and no interim order has been passed.